Across a sprawling 18 acres of lush rural land dotted with towering native trees, this unique property is simply spectacular. Offering absolute tranquility, flexible living with multiple dwellings, and a fully functioning health retreat providing excellent income potential. The original timber residence is set proudly at the centre of the property and reveals cosy interiors including a lovely lounge room with a wood fireplace, a spacious kitchen, 2 bedrooms and a classic wraparound veranda soaking up the sunlight. Just across the manicured grounds is the second residence of brick construction. Beautifully renovated throughout and featuring 3 spacious bedrooms and an open-plan living, dining and kitchen, this space is ideal for extended family or perfect for additional income subject to council approval. Attached to the second residence, yet completely private with its own entrance, is a 1-bedroom granny flat with living area, a full kitchen and carport. Privately set away from the 2 residences and offering more flexibility or additional income, a cute little studio features a single bedroom plus a full kitchen, living and dining space. Peacefully secluded amongst lush established gardens and mature trees, the retreat offers an incredible opportunity to create your own dream commercial space or simply continue offering as a perfect health retreat, function centre and more. Recently renovated throughout, the retreat offers 7 ensuited rooms, indoor and outdoor communal areas, a commercial kitchen and dining area, plus massage rooms. In addition, there's a large sun-soaked swimming pool with a poolside lounge area. The incredible property also features a huge variety of edible gardens, offering everything from bananas, citrus tree, pawpaw, and so much more. Opportunities like this are all too rare. For more information, please contact Team Johnston.